KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my pork basil noodle. A really quick and budget dish, this one. Alright, let's get on with it. Okay, so the cupboards are bare, bank account is empty. I've got a little bit of pork in the freezer, pork mince. Let's try and make up a dish. I've got an onion that I've quarter cut. Just put that straight into a fry pan or wok, as I am doing, and we're going to give those a little bit of a fry off until they go a little bit translucent. Here I've got around about 200 grams worth of mushroom that was left over from a dish that I didn't cook the night before. Just 2-3 little mushrooms, just giving those a bit of a slice, bit of white pepper that can go straight in like that. Going to give us a little bit of spice happening, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of garlic paste and a little bit of ginger paste, around about teaspoons worth of each. Alright, put that onto your little spoon and give that a good stir around. We're putting the onions and mushrooms in first. They take the longest to cook. I'm going to add in a couple of lidfuls of Zhaojing wine or Chinese rice wine. Put that straight in and you can smell that straight away. Everything is starting to come together already. Okay, give that a bit of a stir. 1 pound, 500 grams worth of ground pork or pork mince for us Aussies. Put that straight in, start breaking it up, and it'll take a little bit of time to break that up into the consistency that we really want. So just keep breaking that up, stirring it through, let it just start doing its thing. I've got this on around about a medium style heat. I'm going to add in some oyster sauce, and the oyster sauce, of course, when it gets a little bit cool, it does get a little bit thick. It's a good idea to leave that out of the refrigerator for around about 2 hours. I've added in about a tablespoon's worth of that, and it's going to give us just a nice little salty flavour to this, not over the top. I'm not going to use soy. We want to keep this really nice and mild. This is a real family friendly dish, and here is an ingredient that I don't often use, but it has been used over time. It's a little bit of tomato sauce, and you think tomato sauce in Asian cooking? Yes, you can thank the USA for that in World War II and the Korean and Vietnam War for that. They brought that particular condiment into Asia, and it gets used a fair bit. I'm going to add in a little bit of basil leaves, fresh basil leaves. I'm not using paste or dried for once. A little basil plant that I was able to obtain, and we're going to put those leaves straight in. We're going to get those wilting down and get that basil flavour, that beautiful minty type flavour through all of that. Alright, our noodles, we're going to add that straight in. They're a just basically heat and serve type noodles. You put them in water, let them separate, and we're going to put those straight in. Give those a good toss around with all that pork mince. Okay, just like that. And this dish is so budget and so easy to do. Here I've got about 2 teaspoons worth of corn flour, cornstarch for others around the world, and a little bit of chicken stock. Just give that a bit of a mix. I'm going to pour that straight over the top, and that's going to make a nice little gravy or a sauce, for a better word, for our little dish that we're creating right now. Alright, so just keep stirring that through. I'm going to turn that wok up a little bit on the heat side of things, and that sauce is going to thicken up before you can say Muhammad Ali. Alright, I'm going to add in a few more basil leaves, just like that, and our dish is basically done. Alright, so I'm going to add one more ingredient just because it works and it just added this amazing flavour. I'm going to give a little tiny drizzle of sesame oil, very carefully, like I'm doing right there, and your dish is done. Alright, there you go. You've got KP's pork basil noodle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love reading them, love responding to them. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. But more importantly, you want to learn budget, quick, sporadic type, off the cuff recipes like this. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my pork basil noodle and I will catch you next time. Bye!